Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing super awesome item, the Cadillac Eldorado convertible bicentennial in 1/18 scale, and it's by one of my currently growing favorite brands, which is Best of Show, guys. All right, now here's the actual information about the actual item number, and also more information on the box as far as like precautions not to ruin the model, which basically means just keep it away from sunlight. Really cool thing is BOS now is including their mirrors and hood ornaments completely separate on their items, so that the whole worry of the hood ornaments being broken or the mirrors being broken during shipping is no longer an issue. So shout out to Best of Show for switching it up and listening to their customers and doing what they're supposed to do, prevent issues. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna peel and unveil this awesome, foam enclosure of this awesome item. And as you guys can see already right here, this here is an awesome piece. Looks super awesome right next to its cousin, the 80 something Fleetwood Brougham, which I already did a review to. You guys enjoyed that video significantly so, and so did I. It's one of my favorite items still, and that's why I felt like, man, I need to, that Cadillac is kind of lonely. I need to get him like a little friend, and that friend is this one right here, guys. This Best of Show Cadillac Eldorado. You guys see that? Just awesome grill, awesome front. Just look at that. I mean, just the quality and how realistic it looks on the front is just enough of a selling point for me. But before all that, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the wheels. Nice white color on the rim, Cadillac logo emblem in the center. Nice little simulated stock, hubcap wheels and tires, just very, very nice. Alright, guys, so let's go ahead and take a quick little look at the back. You gotta love the fins. You gotta love this long, boat of a car. It's just awesome. Just look at the chrome. Look at the plate. The plate ain't no sticker. It's an actual complete separate piece. The lights. You got the Eldorado, cursive lettering right there above that right tail light. You got that chrome Cadillac logo shield, with the branches that surround it. Just hella detailed 3D photo etch parts, of course. Now we're taking a look at the doors. I gotta love the chrome on the door handles and the actual door handle push button to open the door. Even though, again, this is a seal model, doors don't open. However, it is a drop top. It is a convertible, so we don't need the doors to open. We can appreciate this interior right here as we proceed now to take a look at the interior. Lovely color combination. I mean, look at the detail on the interior, guys. Besides the only down point that, some stuff is painted silver here, and I would have preferred it to be actually chrome plated. Besides that, and the fact that it had no carpet, awesome interior, just super detailed and super nice. Definitely, up to par with higher end models. But we're not gonna neglect the front or the grill, because to me it is the most favorite part of the model itself. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and now take a close look at this grill and just the intricacy of it. All the spokes, of the chrome grill just look insane. The Cadillac cursive lettering from the actual headlights. Just look at the headlights. I mean, just superb detail and quality on this model. I just love the front of this car, period. Like I said, it's my favorite part of the car. I think it just looks so crazy. It looks like one of those classic Cadillacs that you will see on like mafia movies or things like that. If I'm not mistaken, I believe this car here was in the movie Casino. Maybe I'm mistaken on that. Perhaps you guys might correct me in the comments. But other than that, guys, just kind of zooming in at the Cadillac hood ornament. And yes, guys, shout out to Best of Show models, because not only did they provide you with the hood ornament separately so that it would not get damaged during shipping, they give you two. this actually comes now with 2 Cadillac hood ornaments. So let's say that you had another Cadillac BOS and you bought it damaged and the hood ornament was missing. If you happen to buy one of these, you will have your hood ornament for your other Caddy, a spare hood ornament for it. I mean, just great. On the first video of my first BOS, which is that Cadillac, the red one right next to it, and again, I got them together so you guys can have a nice comparison. I did mention that the cars, although they're fully sealed, they roll, and they roll superbly, as I'm showing you guys right now how it rolls, you know. And I'm basically just bringing the car out. One of my main pet peeves or complaints about the car, they're not many, but this is one of them. I really wish that they had painted, you know, the lining of the windshield. So if you guys notice that right there, that's actually silver, and I kind of wish that would have been chrome, you know. So that's one of the slight little minor complaints that I have about the model. Nothing too crazy because it still looks pretty seamless and it blends in, you know, without much issues. But another thing I wanted to show you guys right quick is the bottom of the car, guys. The bottom of the car is pretty plain, almost just like the other BOS models. So, but I wanted to make sure that showed you guys that as well. You do have some stuff about the, you know, about the item information and all that at the bottom, but yeah, there's no type of simulation of actual you know, parts of a real car at the bottom, chases of the car. So yeah, just pretty plain at the bottom. So pretty much, guys, that's pretty much just my 2 complaints. These 2 though, they make an awesome pair together though. It's almost like yin and yang. One of them is red and white, the other one is white and red. So I just think that these 2 together make just such an awesome combination. Anybody out there that collects like me and loves these Cadillacs, I will definitely tell you not to pass on this one. Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Make sure you turn notifications on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Hope you guys are having just an awesome day out there. And with that one, I'm outie, guys. Peace.